They're saying that the studies have shown that basically half of Australian jobs are going to be at risk or made redundant within the next 10 to 20 years because of the digital shift. By the way, this is a worldwide situation. In America, they're saying around 47%, getting very accurate on numbers there. Here in Australia, they're expecting more because we're so reliant on manufacturing and agriculture. Traditionally, that's our economy's generated a lot of money around those areas. Obviously, that's not as big now. And even within those industries, particularly within manual labour type industries, digital disruption and automation are rapidly changing the workforce as we speak right now, but certainly over the next 10 years. So you need to be thinking about this for yourself. If you want to secure your future, you need to be aware of that this is coming along.
Now, the other thing that we're seeing in the marketplace is also a concerning trend that many people are studying courses that actually are qualifying them for jobs that won't exist. So this is the other implication of the digital shift and how jobs are changing. You have to be very careful about where you invest your money in your education and make sure that, and same for your kids, if you have children who are about to go through this process and have careers, then you want to make sure that they're actually studying something and taking all that time and spending that money to get skills that are going to qualify them for something that will set them up for the future.
Because what those studies are showing is not just manual jobs that are going to be replaced or made redundant by digital disruption.
Surprising.
It is no job is immune, highly skilled jobs, and traditionally jobs where you may have to go to uni for 4, maybe 6 years. Even those jobs, such as doctors, are going to be replaced.
Lawyers.
Accountants in particular have been targeted. They're saying that it's all going to be changing due to better technology.
Especially if you're in administration. Anything in administration. We'll talk about that later, but in driving. If you drive for a living, then with driverless cars coming, you might have to start thinking about doing some reskilling.